subtraction of similar fraction. So sa pagkakataong ito, gagamit tayo ng mixed fraction. So again, katulad ng addition of similar fraction, unahin natin yung pag-subtract sa ating whole number. We have 3 minus 2, we'll have 1 for the whole number. Then, isunod natin yung kanilang numerator. 6 minus 5, so we have 1. Then, copy the common denominator na 8. So, our answer is 1 and 1/8. So, if our fraction now is in the lowest term because 1 has no other factor except 1 times 1. And wala silang kaparehong factor doon sa 8. So, ang 1 and 1/8 is now in the lowest term. Example number 2. So, again, we subtract the whole number, 6 minus 4. So, we have 2. Then, subtract the numerator, 9 minus 5. So, we have 4. Copy the denominator, which is 12. So, ang ating fraction ba ay nasa lowest term na. Take note na 4/12 are composite number. So, ibig sabihin, marami itong mga factor. So, kunin natin yung factor ng 4 at saka 12. Unahin natin yung 4. 1 times 4, then 2 times 2. Factors ng 12, tayong 1 times 12, tayong 2 times 6, then meron tayong 3 times 4. So, kung titingnan natin, ano yung pinakamalaking factor na pareho sila? So, mayroon tayong 4. So, ang ating greatest common factor ay 4. So, ito na yung gamitin natin para i-divide ang ating fraction para ma-reduce ito sa kanyang lowest term. So, 4 divided by 4, 12 divided by 4. So, ang magiging resulta, 4 divided by 4, we have 1. 12 divided by 4, we have 3. Then copy the whole number. Huwag natin kalimutan yung ating whole number. Kaya yung ating fraction in the lowest term is 2 and 1/3.